I'm gonna make this side of my face look like this side of my face while I tell you how I got started with this one compact viral makeup. If you're new to my page, I'm Jennifer Murray with Jenny Lynn Beauty, and the one thing I want you to notice about this makeup is it's very natural. There's not a whole lot of difference in this side of my face and this side of my face, but if I get really close, you can see that it's covering these scars that I have, which is one reason I fell in love with this one compact viral makeup. It is all cream. There's such goodness in this makeup. No more liquids and powders for me. If I had to do it over again, I would never have been using liquids and powders, but I didn't know. Now I do. When you know better, you do better. So I'm going to put my hair back and we're going to get this started. All right, isn't that lovely? My best friend and I were on a college visit with my daughter. This was over 3 years ago, and she had this one compact makeup. I had the huge makeup bag with the liquid base, the powder blush, yada yada. And I looked over and she had this. And I was like, oh, what is that? And I want to try it. Because she was ready in 10 minutes and sitting on the bed waiting for me. And I was not even close to being ready. So, and her makeup looked flawless. And I was not happy with mine. So anyhow, she was like, use it. Go ahead. So I did. We're close like that. And anyhow, I used her makeup and it stayed on all day long. Even through me crying after my daughter made her decision to attend that university, the makeup didn't budge. I'm an oily girl and this is cream makeup. The myth that you can't wear creams if you're oily is wrong. It stayed on all day long. I drove an hour and 45 minutes home. It was still on when I got home, had not budged, and I was in love. Story over. Not really. But I ordered the makeup that night. I was in love. When I got the makeup, I showed my family, I showed friends, I put it on them, and I was like, why am I not selling this stuff? Now, keep in mind, I was an educator for almost 19 years. I was working at a community college, and I didn't want to go back to work after I started selling this makeup. Well, it got worse. Like, I wanted to stay home and play in makeup. That's really what I wanted to do. But it's because I loved it. And I started realizing why. You know when you're sitting there and you're like, this is why I'm here. This is my purpose. That light bulb went off. My light bulb. My mission was this. I faced a lot of trauma growing up. I was bullied because of my skin. I had terrible acne, and kids were not nice, and adults can be not nice. And I went through Accutane 3 times. If you don't know what that is, it's medicine for acne, but it's not fun. It's harsh. It's really hard to go through. I had terrible nosebleeds on the way to school. They do blood tests before you get on it every month. It's rough. But I was bullied really bad. I have really bad scars because of it. Pits, all the things. So anyhow, I never want another teenager to have to face that. The boy I had a crush on called me pizza face. That's devastating for a teenager. But in all honesty, and this is so cliche, I'm glad I went through it because I do have empathy for other kids and adults. I mean, there's adults who have acne, so I get it. But When I tell you that this is the one makeup I've ever put on in my life that made me feel pretty and confident, and I know, don't come at me with, you don't need makeup to feel pretty. It is okay if you want to put makeup on to feel good. I feel good when I put my makeup on. Just like you may put on jewelry with your outfit as your accessory. This is my accessory. And if I want to put on makeup, I can. I also come on here without my makeup on, and I'm fine with that. I used to never do that, but I do now, and I'm fine with it. It took me a long time to get to that point. I had to gain some confidence, and joining this team of beautiful women in Seint helped me to do that. One of the reasons I love this company. These women are honestly beautiful inside and out. It really is. It's not your typical MLM, okay? And I learned that. I flew to Texas alone. I stayed with these women that I didn't even know, but had the time of my life. I ended up quitting my full-time job and working for Seint, and I love what I'm doing. I love watching women feel good about themselves and put on this makeup and go, oh my gosh, my skin looks the best it's ever looked, because that's how I felt when I put it on. That's how I still feel after over 3 years of wearing the makeup and using the skincare. And so why wouldn't I share this? I'm earning an income doing this. I'm earning trips doing this. Why wouldn't I share it? Why wouldn't I share the artist program? So I'm going to share it. So if this is something you want to do, send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. It's changed my life for the better. I'm grateful. And you can see the transformation. And it's very natural. And that's what I love about it. I don't want anything cakey on my face. I can make it more glam if I want to. Or I can just keep it natural. So, that was my journey with Seint. Nobody reached out to me to become an artist. I reached out to them. That's how much I loved it. So, and it's all in one compact. I didn't want a big makeup bag anymore. I have a little obsession with lip and cheek colors. And then in the back I have my eyeshadows and my powder. So my powder goes on last. I use the powder brush, and this way I don't feel shiny. This comes along with being oily and not wanting to be real shiny. Some people love that shiny look. There's no wrong or right way. It's whatever you prefer. I'm not going to be that artist that says you must not be shiny. It's whatever you prefer. So that's it. I'm done. Okay. In less than 10 minutes, I do my face and I'm out the door. That's what I love about this. I just did it for you live on camera. If you want to get color matched, it's so easy. Just comment match me to 704-464-4484 and I'll match you to your perfect colors, okay? You don't have to walk around the store and wonder, does this color match me? I do it for you. If you want to hear more about the artist program, then just comment artist or text artist to that same number, 704-464-4484, and I'll send you some more information about it. That has changed my life as well. It's brought me so much joy, and I'm forever thankful for that program. All right, hope y'all are having a great day and a good start to 2024. See you soon. Bye.